Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hola, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes here on YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it is free 99. It literally doesn't cost anything but your time to subscribe to my channel. I am back with another Amazon video. Last week I posted an Amazon fashion haul, but today we are talking all about my obsession with Amazon. I'm sure I'm not the only one. I have so much stuff to show you guys, but I'm gonna try to break it down to a few products that I think are like the standout products that I've really genuinely have enjoyed from Amazon. I have a little bit of kitchen, a little bit of beauty, health, and just a little bit of other stuff. So buckle up, have your Amazon app ready, because trust me, you're gonna love these. I will have all the links in the description box so you guys can check them out. So get cozy, grab your cafecito, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first things first, you guys, I am going to get this out of the way because it is the lip gloss that I'm currently wearing right now. This, I've mentioned it before because it became one of my favorites and I just can't put it down. I love me a good glossy nude lip. Oh my gosh, I look so awkward without a nail. It literally popped off today when I was cleaning. But anyways, so I found this NYX butter gloss in the shade Madeline. Now this one on the Amazon app retails for $4.97, and on the Ulta website you get it for $5. So you're saving like a few pennies, but a few pennies is a few pennies. And with Amazon you get free shipping versus Ulta, like if you were to order it online and then pay for shipping. So yeah, just wanted to shout this one out really quick since I don't have a lot of like makeup products, but I absolutely love this gloss. It's such a pretty like true beigey nude. And if you guys are familiar with NYX butter gloss, then you guys know how creamy they are. Super yummy. And they smell super yummy. So that is that. Also, as I'm going through these, I am going to be giving you guys the prices just so you can kind of have an idea in your head. So I have been wanting a cute little acrylic organizer for my vanity because listen, I have way too much makeup and I need to keep track of the new makeup that comes in so I can stay on top of it. Otherwise, I put it to the side and I forget that it's makeup or new makeup and I never get to play with it. So I ordered this acrylic organizer. This one was $11.99 and I got it really quickly. It is called the Acrylic Makeup Organizer. I love this stuff so much. You can really use it for whatever. You can use it for your bathroom, you can use it for your bedroom, but obviously I wanted to use it for my vanity. And here I'm going to show you guys some clips. I have some perfumes. I got this like pure package from Wet n Wild, so I put like my favorites, matte and satin finish lipsticks. I also have here a few of the Wet n Wild highlighters. I have foundations and palettes, my go-to moisturizer, which is the Fenty Skin. Love that stuff. And just more go-to products and products that I know that I need to try out more often, which is why the ColourPop palette is back there, because I need to play with it a little bit more. So I really recommend it to anybody that is wanting to organize their makeup a little bit better. I really like it, and so far it's pretty sturdy. I don't move it a lot, so I can't really say if it's cheapy or not, but it doesn't feel cheapy at all. So I'm going to get this one out of the way because it's not like beauty or home or anything. It's more like an office product. So for the longest time, I have been wanting a lap desktop holder, if that makes sense. And I could not find one that I personally liked. So I finally found this one, and oh my gosh, you guys, it is the best. It is actually the #1 best seller in lap desks. So this is what it looks like. I have briefly spoken about this on my Instagram. If you guys want to follow me, I will have my Instagram name here. But I love this so much, and it's marble, and I'm obsessed with anything that's like white and gray. So you just sit on either your bed or on the couch, which usually when I edit, I'm on my bed or on the couch. And this holds your laptop. It has this little this little, I don't know what you call it, but it holds your laptop from like sliding down. This, you can use your mouse if you have a mouse, which I do, and then the best part is that this actually holds your phone, so you can be editing and watching a movie if you want to, or you can be like answering texts without like leaving your phone. It has this little handle at the top, so you can just easily pick it up and move to wherever you need to. And this is what makes it so comfortable. This reminds me like of a beanbag. I guess that's the best way that I can describe the consistency of it. It's pretty sturdy so far. I love it, you guys. It's so nice. If you work from home and you use your laptop a lot, I highly recommend this one. Let's move on to something that I've been wearing every time I go out. So listen, you are either a sunglass person or you're not. I love sunglasses. I love collecting them. So I found these sunglasses and they, oh my gosh, I love these. They just make you look so vintage and so cute. These are a cat eye style, but they're not like exagerados, because I don't like that super dramatic feline cat eye sunglass. Like, it's just not my vibe, and if it is yours, totally okay. This is what they look like. These are so chic, and they come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other colors. Obviously, I picked these because these are the ones that I just gravitate towards the most. And what I really like about these is that they feel like a very good plastic material, and they just look so cute on. Like, oh my gosh, like I absolutely love this. Like, I feel like such a celebrity with these sunglasses on. They're so cute, you guys. Like, you literally cannot go wrong with these. I love that they cover up so much of the face. Love these so much for the price. You really cannot go wrong. And the best part is that these actually come in a little, like a, not a velvet pouch, and it comes with a little cloth so you can clean them. I don't know where it is. I think it's in my husband's car and he's currently not home. But again, I will have it linked down below. And you guys, this purchase, you will not regret it. Even if it's winter, like the sun is still pretty bright in the morning, so I still get a really good use out of my sunglasses. Love those so much. Let's talk a little bit about hair, shall we? So I love experimenting with things. I love trying out new things, new dry shampoos, new oils, new everything. I recently came across this brand. I've seen it and I've tried like maybe 1 or 2 products, but I've never really tested a bunch of their stuff, and that's what I'm currently doing. Like, I am obsessed with this brand right now. So this is called OGX Beauty Pure and Simple. This is one of the products that has just been my go-to anytime that I'm wearing my hair down, either straight or curly. I love applying this stuff. This is the Extra Strength Shine and Revitalize Argan Oil of Morocco. It's a dry oil shine mist. The reason why I wanted this is because it reminds me of the Kenra dry oil spray or something like that. That one is really expensive. I used to use it years ago, back when I used to wear like these super long extensions, and I've never bought in it since because, like I said, it is a little bit pricey, and for its purpose I was like, not really worth it. So I wanted to give this one a shot. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's not as good as the Kenra one, but it's pretty, you know, it's okay. It does the job. So all I do is I just shake it, and then I just give my hair a little bit of a spritz. I do have to say that the scent is pretty strong, and it does add some shine to the hair, especially when your hair is like dirty and you've applied your dry shampoo and then you go in with this one. I really like that it brings the hair back to life. So this is a product that I actually haven't seen anywhere besides Amazon. This one was $4.27. I love how this makes my hair feel. It smells really good. The consistency is a little bit strange, I'm not gonna lie, and it will leave your hands a little bit glittery, but I mainly use this on my daughter. She loves this stuff. You use it when you have towel dry hair, and it just gives your hair this like highlighter looking effect. I don't know how to describe it. It kind of reminds me of like jelly. It does smell really good though, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it gives your hair like this shine of like highlighter. Like if you're wearing highlighter on your skin, but for your hair. This stuff is pretty bomb. Let's move on to, actually, you know what? I'm going to talk about the faja that I used after I had my baby. So if you guys are not familiar with my channel, I just had a baby 2 months ago. Oh my God, he's 2 months. Oh, my sweetheart. He's actually 2 months today. Little Mr. Lincoln is 2 months, you guys, and he is the chunkiest, happiest boy ever. I love it. So after I had him, I bought a faja off of Instagram, and it's a faja colombiana, Colombian faja. And girl, it was expensive, but me, I was like, no, I want this. I'm gonna use it. Don't use it. It was really hard for me to fit into it. I fit into it now, but it's so tight, like I can't. I just don't like the feeling of being constricted. So I went to Amazon, of course, on my lifesaver, and I looked up fajas for postpartum, and I found this one. And this one, you guys, seriously changed my stomach so much. I'm going to be posting pictures of like before and after. So this one was $20, I believe, $20 or $25, compared to the faja colombiana that I ordered off of Instagram. It was like $120. It's a 3-piece garment, and it says on here where you use it. Now this is a one-size-fits-all. They are very stretchy, and you'll definitely fit in it. So this is the belly belt. Then you move on to the pelvic belt, I believe, pelvis belt, which is this one right here. You lie down, suck it in, and then you put this around your pelvis. You can make it as loose or as tight as you want. The first few weeks, I didn't make it super tight because, you know, I just had a baby. I didn't want to go crazy. And then as the weeks went on, I just kept making it tighter and tighter. And then on top of those two, you're going to apply your last belt. And this one is called the waist belt. And this is what it looks like. Actually, it's inside out. But this is the waist belt, and this is going to go on top of all the other belts that you just applied. So you're going to be like super fajada. But I love that you can make this like custom, and you don't have to be super sucked in, which kind of gives me like claustrophobia, honestly. Highly recommend this. For the price, you guys, you cannot go wrong. Okay, so moving on to a face product. Now, I have been shaving my face for a few years now, and obviously I don't shave it with like a regular razor. I use these types of razors. I go through these like crazy. I actually found a set of 6 facial razors for about $5, and these are it. I have another one upstairs in my bathroom. These are probably the best razors that I have ever used. This one's like super, super tiny. This one is meant for you to like shave the top of the brows or just clean up the brows in general. And honestly, this stuff is like so good, but just be super careful because you don't want to shave off your entire eyebrow. That would not be a good look. So it comes with 3 of these. They're super sharp. And then the other 3 are the facial razors. It's mainly just to take off the peach fuzz that we have. Every time I take off my peach fuzz, you guys, my foundations, my primers, my moisturizers, my cremas, everything just glides on. My skin feels so bomb. I love shaving my face. I think I do it about once every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depends on when I remember. I love the quality in these. They're really, really good. And for the price, you really cannot go wrong. So love those. Talking about face and skincare and stuff like that, I recently upgraded my little facial cleanser brush to this one. So I have one that I always keep in my shower, because when I get in the shower, I like to remove my makeup with my makeup cleanser and then go in the shower and actually wash my face, and I keep that one in there. So I decided to upgrade to a new one. This is such a cute face brush. It is all silicone, as you can see. It's cute and it's pink and it has tons of little bristles, and then when you turn it on, you just hold on. Do you guys see this like wide button? It's really good at just cleaning out the pores, making your skin look super bomb, and it gets rid of all like makeup residue and things like that. The next items that I'm going to show you guys are top of the line, my absolute favorite, would recommend to anyone. So For a while, I have been wanting to redo my kitchen so bad, you guys. I'm gonna post a before and like a little bit of an after picture of what my kitchen is looking like. It's still not done. We still have to change the doors. I found this stick and peel backsplash, and this is exactly what I had been looking for. The first thing we did is we painted our cabinets, and one of my best friend's husband, he actually pretty much did it for us. He helped us paint our cabinets, and we painted them white. So then I ordered backsplash stick and peel. I've seen this everywhere, and I felt that that was going to be the most affordable routes that we can go without dishing thousands of dollars and still looking nice. I've seen so many good reviews, and I decided to bite the bullets. And again, this is the #1 bestseller. I'm going to show you guys what my kitchen looks like right now. Like I said, it isn't finished, so it's not perfect. We still need to fix the sink or get a new sink, and I'm probably going to buy this thing from Amazon too. So this is just called the 10 sheet peel and stick backsplash. These are 12-inch by 12-inch, which is the biggest size that you can get. Home Depot or Home Depot and Lowe's does not carry that size. This is a white with gray grouts. This stuff is so beautiful. It is 3D, so it literally looks like it's actual tile, but it's not. We bought that. It made a huge difference. And then I also bought some Euro bars. These are for our cabinets, and I bought them in a black. I bought 2 packs because we have tons of cabinets, and these were $23.99 for the long handles, and these come with 10 in each pack. So I bought 2 because we have 18. And then for the drawers, the ones that you pull out, I bought 1 10-pack, and this one was $15.99. And again, it has the black finish because our stove and fridge are black. So this has to be my favorite purchase that I found from Amazon. And I did do a comparison to like Lowe's and Home Depot, and I got a better deal through Amazon. So I absolutely love that, and I'm super happy with how the kitchen turned out. Like I said, it's still a work in progress, but wow, it has made such a huge difference. Like I almost wish I would have filmed it, but guys, having a newborn is so hard to film anything. But that is it, you guys. Those were all my Amazon finds: beauty, non-beauty, kitchen, lifestyle, a little bit of everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more future Amazon finds, please let me know, because I am constantly buying stuff on Amazon. Like it is a non-stop thing. Definitely let me know in the comment section what your favorite Amazon find is so I can check it out. Thank you guys for joining me today. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.